Dominion Phillips Consultancy. If you want to leave a legacy, invest in people. This core vision drives the passion to invest in building people. Building people as smart citizens will lead to smart cities and not vice versa. Developing intelligence leads to empowerment. Empowerment leads to mastery or dominion.
Being a human first before being a professional or a leader is the value we place on every individual. A human with its mind, body and emotions makes them what they are, irrespective of the skills they possess. Therefore, our key focus of development is in the area of mind, body, that is health, and emotions. The same rejection that produced Mahatma Gandhi also produced Adolf Hitler. What makes them different is the ability to manage and respond to challenging and complex emotions.
Our vision and passion over the decades has evolved into a business enterprise called Dominion Phillips Consultancy, previously called as Dominion Phillips Educare Private Limited. Transforming people through developmental process and empowering them to manage complex human behavior in a day-to-day living is the need of the hour. We at Dominion Phillips Consultancy emphasize and focus at learning and development and human resources and untapped potentials. Dominion Phillips Consultancy has designed learning and development workshops that caters to entrepreneurs, leaders, managers, professionals, executives, parents, couples and students.
We use scientific methodology of Meta Neuro Linguistic Programming, cognitive psychology, behavioral science, human potential movement, and principles of management in our workshops. Our workshops are highly effective in personal transformation, behavioral change, performance management, healing and wellness. Since 2014 we have certified more than 250 participants, which includes psychologists, doctors, physiotherapists, entrepreneurs, senior managers, engineering and management faculties and students. With a wealth of more than 25 years of experience in academics, human resource, operations, sales, learning and development and psychological consulting to over 10,000 engineering and management students, we offer the best of us to all our clients and individuals.
The higher learning of neuro-linguistic programming is facilitated by Rowena Phillips and AJ Phillips. AJ Phillips is a visionary and an entrepreneur, principal training consultant, a certified NLP master practitioner and a life coach. He has over 25 years of experience in learning and development, skill development, corporate training, and academics. He has been associated with various organizations like Tech Mahindra, Sutherland, Convergys, YCCE Group Engineering College, Youth with a Mission, Healing for the Nations, Congress WBN etc. He uses NLP techniques and methodology in all the workshops, which is interactive, practical and involves exercises based on NLP tools.
Rowena Phillips is a missionary, a force in leading and executing the vision of Dominion Phillips Consultancy. Rowena Phillips is the Director Training, Principal Psychological Consultant of Dominion Phillips Consultancy, India. In her 22 years of career she has been functioning in human resource, operations, training, and psychological consulting. She specializes in the area of productivity and performance management, leadership and faculty development, communication skills, emotional intelligence, psychological consulting and executive coaching. Rowena has trained and coached general managers, HR teams, senior managers, faculties of engineering and management institutions, professionals, executives, parents and students. She is an executive coach and a psychological counselor with more than 10,000 hours of counseling and coaching sessions. She has facilitated thousands of hours in training and workshops at MNCs, SMEs, NGOs, and engineering and management colleges. She uses scientific methodology and NLP tools in her training. Academically, she is pursuing her doctorate in psychology and holds a master's in psychology and PG diploma in human resource management. Professionally, she is a certified Meta Neuro Linguistic Programming master practitioner and a coach from ISNS headed by Dr. Michael Hall, USA. She is also a certified NLP communication coach from Society of NLP, USA. She is internationally certified TEFL trainer in business English. She was selected by Thai Airways for entrepreneurship mentoring funded by US Embassy in 2018.